So the plan for today is to get the car leveled out. So I got a couple of different levels. I got the big boy, the medium, and the small. So kind of hard to find flat spots on this car to see where it's level. So we'll see what we can do. So we're gonna get everything level, then we'll double check our measurements, then we'll go and transfer it to the other side, and then we're going to work on making our big hole we cut in it on the last video even bigger. And hopefully the goal today is to have it rough cut, and then hopefully tomorrow we can tack in the rear suspension, but that might be a stretch, so we'll see how it goes. So apparently my big boy level is messed up. I mean, what good is that kind of bubble? I mean, that's a big bubble. So ended up having to use the medium boy, and I got a level there. And then when we did the 8-point, we had the car level, so I'm just going with the 8-point, is make sure it's level side to side, which is kind of a hard angle, but it's good there. And then check this side. It also says we're level when it's sitting right. There we go. So we're good to go. So now it's time to start cutting. Alright, so we got the hole cut bigger. It definitely took a lot longer than expected, but we got it all cut out. We got all the frame stuff cut out, the fenders cut out. The old spring perches where I actually moved them in so I could fit bigger tires under it the first time. And now you can see my through the floor subframe connectors. So I think next plan is I'm going to cut most of the floor out up front to the roll bar there, and then just leave the subframe connectors intact, and then I'll just take my time and make sure I get those cut proper so I'll be able to weld straight to them. And but since this took a lot longer, that probably won't happen until next week. But still making progress. Hopefully it'll be done by the fall. I was hoping for the spring, but everything's taking a lot longer than I was expecting. So we'll see. All right, man. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.